Hey there, Foldabots builder. This is your Lutabot assembly guide. All you need are scissors and glue to build Tambak. So once you've cut out all of his patterns, get the biggest one, the main body, and put glue on this tab. And try to put it only on that area so that we can glue the front part of the truck nicely. There we go. And then the front part of the truck goes like this. Put some glue on that part of the main body and stick it to the region that goes on that gray part. So hang on, we're just applying some glue very thinly, and it goes this way. So curl it up so that it builds the front part of that cab. So it helps if you form it while the glue is still semi-dry like this, and you can set it aside once it's set. Now we're doing the tires. So the front tires are a single tire and the rear tires are double. So apply some thin coats of glue right here. And put the tires right there. Rear and front. And the same thing on the other side. And the front. So notice how I'm trying to press from the inside part to get those parts glued faster. Applying a little bit of pressure is going to help that. So next, I'm gluing the arms. So add glue to the back of the tabs that says arm. And notice the left and right arm go this way. So it's always the robot's right that has the right arm, and the robot's left that has the left arm. So it goes onto the back of the truck this way, and we're going to do the dump box now. So add glue to that part that says dump box. So it's those two blue tabs. So we can form this into a cube. Well, something almost like a cube. So fold it this way. And the nice thing about this is that it's very open. The dump box is a really big container, so it's easy to press from the inside parts to make it dry easier. The next, put glue on the top part that says top. And if you notice this part from the parts that you cut out, it goes this way. Try to align those rectangles as much as you can so that the picture gets completed. There we go. And for the back part, fold it this way so that the unprinted part faces forward, and that's gonna form the hinge that's gonna make the dump box do its job of dumping stuff. Okay. So make sure that you do not put glue on the entire bottom part because the dumping won't work. So it's supposed to look like this. So in robot mode, Tambak has his arms flaring out, but you can curve it a bit so it shows to the front. And turning it into truck mode, simply tuck in those arms and it serves as a lock for the dump box. His head can be folded out like this, like a plate number at the back, and we're ready to go. Take him for a spin. So this is Tambak in truck mode, and here he is in robot mode. Thank you for watching. Oh, bonus video! If you built Tambak and Lucio from this book, you could let Lucio do a little piggyback ride on his dump box like so. Simply insert the toxic waste body and make sure those little tentacles are nice and wrapped around his sides, and they can go on their adventures together.